Hello, today I will be showing you how to make a puzzle collage. This is the finished product. It's a broken page. So first things first, you're going to want to tear out a page from your book. Then you're going to want to cut it so it becomes smaller than it was, so it will actually fit on to the page when you rip it up. So you're going to cut it, and then after you finish cutting it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start ripping it. And keep the pages where you ripped them, so you don't want to take them totally far apart, or you'll have to put them back together like a puzzle. So, and you'll want to reassemble it before you start putting it back on. So that's what my pages rips will be like. And so I'm going to move that to the side, easy to put on when I need it. And I have the page I'm going to do is right here. And I'm going to put wax paper on the page next to it because I don't want paint getting on it. And beneath the page I'm going to paint, I'm also going to put wax paper so that it doesn't get onto the pages beneath it. So after that, you're going to want to take your paint, and probably you will want to use a darker color. You're going to start painting on your page, and you're going to paint outwards and off the page. You don't want to be painting back and forth onto the page because you'll get the paint up underneath your page onto the one behind it. So you'll want to avoid and just paint off the edges and not back and forth on the edges. So the good thing about using acrylic paint, which is what I'm using, is that it will work as our glue as well. So we will not need to attach any sort of glue onto our book pages, our puzzle pieces. So I'm almost through. It doesn't take that much time, and you can do double. If you're using a lighter color, the words might shine through on the page, and you might want to do just another coat on top of your page. So now that I have my page all painted, I'm going to take my first puzzle piece. Oh, I missed a spot, one moment. The edges are the hardest for me to get, so okay, that looks pretty good to me. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take my first puzzle piece, I'm going to put it away from the edge and slightly turn it. It's okay if you get a bit of paint onto the page, it'll look just fine. And I'm going to take my other piece and also put it on. And you're going to reassemble your page, leaving slight cracks between each piece. So, and that's why we cut it shorter, so that our page would be able to fully show all of the pieces and the cracks between them. I'm going to take away this wax paper because it's getting in my way. And this is pretty much the entire process. It's very simple and easy to do, and it turns out looking pretty well, pretty good. So there I am, my puzzle piece page. And just make sure all of it is on and it's sticking well, and you don't have pieces lifting up like this. If it is, you're going to want to take some more paint and paint over that spot so that it will stick better. So that's how you do a broken page puzzle piece collage. So thank you.